Next is Ken Pabst, our pre-lit tree technician, and he'll be providing you with some really great tips on tree repair.
The first recommendation is to use a bar of soap around the ends of the metal poles of the tree prior to assembly. The soap acts as a lubricant to make it easier to disassemble your tree at the end of the season. Secondly, plug in your tree and leave the lights on when you first shape the tree. If you see any flickering of your lights, you have discovered a problem located literally at your fingertips. It is much easier to catch and repair these problems now than after the tree is completely up and decorated. Keep in mind, on a pre-lit tree, there are two main problems. The most common problem is a bulb that has failed and the shunt has not activated to complete the circuit. The Lightkeeper Pro socket connector is the first repair method to use. Pulse the set up to 20 times, repairing any internal bulb failure. The second potential problem is a loose bulb or bad contact in the bulb socket. Use the Audible voltage detector to find the problem. Keep in mind, as you look at your tree, one set may cover several branches. It depends on the size of your tree. Most pre-lit trees use light sets of 50 bulbs in series, each using 2.5 volt bulbs. It is important to point out that two different light sets may appear on the same branch with one ending and the other beginning. If one light set has a problem and the other does not, it's often misdiagnosed as a problem on that branch only. Your first goal is to identify which branch of the tree has the problem. Identify the branch where the unlit light set begins. Each branch will have a light set wire leading to the branch on one side and exiting on the other. Using the voltage detector to check the wires on either side of the unlit branches will help you narrow down the source of the problem. Go to the first branch, hold the tip of the Lightkeeper Pro to the wire on the right side of the branch to detect current. Repeat the process on the left side of the branch. If you hear a beeping from the voltage detector when testing the wires on both sides of the branch, this branch is not your problem. Now go to the next unlit branch and repeat, checking the wires for voltage. The branch where you detect voltage on one side of the branch and no beeping or voltage on the other side is the branch where the problem is located. With your free hand touching the branch you are testing, you will reduce any electrical interference caused by the other light sets. With the problem narrowed down to a specific branch, you need to check the bulbs on this branch. Check each bulb in the bulb tester. As you replace bulbs in the socket, it is important that the bulb wires are straight and firmly touch the metal contacts in the bulb socket. Remember, any bulb wire not making a firm contact breaks the metal-to-metal path and the circuit. These trees offer a great look and are a terrific time saver. A little care and upkeep will go a long way towards the continued enjoyment of your pre-lit tree.